Hello everyone, I'm going to talk you through how to install the speed control box on your tabletop. The speed control kit for your tabletop contains the speed control box, a motor, a belt, 13/64 drill bit, drill template, screws, and wing nuts. You will also need the toolkit provided with your trimmer. Note that the following required tools are needed but not provided: a 5/16 Allen wrench, a drill, flathead screwdriver, ruler, and an optional punch tool. Start by making sure your trimmer is turned off and unplugged. Remove the belt cover. For the next steps, we recommend to lay down the tabletop trimmer on its side on a flat surface. Using the 5/16 Allen wrench, remove the 4 bolts holding the motor. Once you're about to remove the 4th bolt, hold the motor with your other hand. This way, you'll be able to remove the belt easily. Remove the frame angle using the Allen wrench. With the provided Phillips screwdriver, remove the 4 bolts holding the switch faceplate. Then, remove the 2 mount screws. You can now remove the motor and switch box. Use the supplied drill template and place it on the side plate opposite the motor. A quick tip is to use a flashlight to easily align the guide. You can tape the guide onto the side plate. You can use the punch tool to precisely mark the holes. Use the provided 13/64 drill bit and drill 2 holes on the side plate. Install the new motor and lock in place with the bolts. Reinstall the frame angle. Install the control box using the 2 holes that were drilled and secure with the provided screws and wing nuts. You will need to reinstall the motor pulley from the old motor onto the new one. Using a ruler, make sure both pulleys are properly aligned. Now you can install the new belt. You can use a flathead screwdriver to guide the belt inside the pulley's groove. Connect the control box to the motor. Note the pin on the plug. Reinstall the belt cover. The speed control box is not waterproof. When it is time to clean your trimming system, unplug the speed control box and remove it using the wing nuts. If any of these steps do not work, do not turn on the machine. Call tech support at 604-458-0341.